And we're back to learning Affinity in a year. This is day 25, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect elements. Let me create a rectangle, then I hold Alt and drag a copy out of there. And we can actually fuse them by using the add function right here. You can see now this is just one element and I can recolor it. A couple of things are important. Let me press Ctrl Z. That is connected yet again. And I give the one on the top right a blue color. Create an overlap, select them both, use add. And you can see this overrides the blue color. So the new element will get the color of the background element, in this case, the reddish rectangle. Another thing to keep in mind is you have to select both elements and then use add. If you just have one selected, that's not going to work. But most importantly, check the top left. So far I've told you to just forget about vector and pixel, layout, Canva AI. But here in this specific case, it makes a difference. So if I switch to pixel, our add function will have vanished. So for this to work, you need to be in the vector mode, and then you can already see these icons grayed out. Select your objects, and then you can use add. This also works on other elements, so not just rectangles. So let me, for example, create an ellipse and a triangle as well. I give that different colors, create overlaps. I select what I want to connect, and then you can see up here, I can use the add function. It overrides the foreground color, but you can add multiple elements like this. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.